Training personnel on live EOT cranes can be complex, risky, time-consuming, and heavily reliant on equipment availability. Virtual reality alone can't fully bridge the haptic gap between operating a real controller and a simulated one. At Spatio, we developed an IoT-integrated VR training module that connects a real EOT crane controller to a virtual training experience. This allows trainees to operate an actual controller and move a virtual crane inside VR, replicating the tactile realism of on-site operations. The experience. Inside the virtual workspace, trainees learn to operate a real EOT crane controller integrated directly into the VR environment. They perform operations such as trolley movement, height adjustment, and load positioning, all mapped precisely to their physical controller inputs. The simulation replicates accurate load physics, allowing trainees to experience how different weights, swing dynamics, and momentum behave in real-world lifting conditions. By performing guided load movements with real-time feedback, trainees build authentic muscle memory and control that prepares them for precise, stable operations on site. In the evaluation module, trainees must complete the same operation independently, ensuring smooth load movement without collision or instability within a stipulated time to pass the assessment. All performance data is recorded in Spatio's LMS integrated dashboard, giving supervisors real-time insights into progress, competency, and readiness for live operations. Our client saw a 61% reduction in operational errors, 3 times faster operator onboarding, and an 84% improvement in skill transfer. Train smarter. Train safer. Deploy with confidence. Book your demo with Spatio today.